Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaliana and today's yoga video is to help you get down into the splits. So starting in downward facing dog, find your deep breath as it comes in and out of the body. Stretch out the feet, tip toes, walk your feet up to your hands. Inhale, lengthen through the fingertips. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, circle the arms up to the sky just to warm up the body. Find a back bend from the heart. Exhale, forward fold once again. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to plank. Squeeze the elbows as you lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. This is where it gets fun. Inhale, lift the right leg back behind you. Stretch it out towards the ceiling. And then take a nice giant step forward so that you're lunging over the right knee. Knee in line with the ankle. Come into humble warrior. So release the back left knee and toe. Come inside the right foot with both hands and arms and let yourself melt further and further into the stretch as you notice the front quad opening up and the groin lengthening. Let the head fall gently towards the yoga mat as you deepen your breath through this stretch. Inhale, slowly come up and transition into half-seated split. So send your hips back, reach your right leg straight, forehead towards the front knee. Remember, this is a quick 5-minute stretch, so if you do it every single day, I'm sure you'll see a difference in your body and your splits. Make your way forward onto your hands, surround the front foot, and bring the feet a little bit closer together as you straighten through the knees, pyramid pose. It's like a runner's stretch. So let your forehead come towards the front shin as you work to straighten both knees standing. From there, find downward facing dog. Press the heels towards the yoga mat. Lengthen through the spine and find a little gratitude as you lift the left side and stretch out this one. So as you lengthen through the toes, step it forward, humble warrior. Lunge deep. Release the back knee and toe and relax inside the left foot with both hands or forearms. Let the crown of the head kiss the yoga mat. Lengthen in the spine, the groin, in that inner thigh. Come up and back for half-seated splits. Extend the left leg straight, forehead towards the front knee, bending and sitting into that back right knee. Remember, the breath is what's going to get you through every single challenging posture and stretch in this flow, including the splits. So deepen your inhales and exhales. Come through to pyramid pose stretch. So both feet down, stretch through both knees, forehead towards the front shin. Press into downward facing dog. Final warm-up pose before splits. Inhale, right leg lifts and thread the right shin forward, parallel to the front of your yoga mat. Left leg extends back behind you and straight. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold over the front shin and release your arms forward. Continue to breathe as you relax the back toe. Really breathe deep as you notice what's lengthening here from your glute to your hip, which will help you get further and further down in your splits. Press into down dog. Do it one more time now on the left side. Left shin forward, right leg back. Inhale through the heart. Exhale, forward fold over the front shin. A few breaths here to open up. Inhale, make your way to downward facing dog. And we'll finally practice our splits on the right side. So go ahead, lift your right foot, step it forward as if you're coming into pyramid pose with your arms surrounding the front foot. Separate your feet as wide as they'll go. If you're all the way down, just lift your heart, lift your gaze. If you need to go further in this challenge, you can walk your hands in front of you and let your forehead kiss the front knee. Remember to straighten through the backs of your knees and point your toes to feel the energy of the extension. Inhale to come up to seated nice and tall. Release the legs, bending through each knee. Find your hands and knees. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg steps forward like pyramid pose, and then separate the feet as wide as they'll go for the splits. Make sure your hands are propping you up for support. Lift your heart. Exhale, forward fold if that's for you today. Continue to breathe wherever you are. Progression will happen over time. And that's it. That's my simple flow to help you get down in your splits. And I hope you practice every day. It will get easier. Awesome job. Thank you for practicing yoga with me today. I'm Kaliana. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next yoga video.